When you're operating a boat, essentially the same rules around impaired driving apply on a boat as they do on a car. And what that means is, if you have open alcohol in a boat, it's treated much the same as open alcohol in a car. If you are pulled over on a boat and you blow over the 0.08% blood alcohol content, then you can actually have your car impounded and you can lose your driver's license, and you can face the same criminal sanctions as you would do if you were arrested for driving under the influence. And the same applies for cannabis. So if you have open cannabis not in a sealed container, out of the reach of the operator of the boat, you can face the same type of penalties as you could if you had the same conviction while driving.